Robert Gibson Jr., owner of Total Auto Body, been in business since 1981. Using the Gascat system has improved our productivity by letting us continually work on cars. You can set yourself apart from competitive shops by doing a one-day repair where they would take 3 days. By utilizing the Gascat equipment, we were able to touch the cars more constantly, stay on the car, so our throughput times, our touch times per day have gone up 70%. The Gascat system's easy to use. They sent trainers in for a week to train us. Within a day, my guys all picked up on it. The fact that guys are able to work more continuous on the cars, we can get more cars through the shop, get more jobs in, that creates more money. That's a good feeling. I think we're doing a better product for our customers just from that aspect alone. So they're workhorses. They've been regularly maintained. Filter changes, I get a once-a-year service. They've never broken down, nothing's happened to them. In order to stay a shop that is pushing a lot of work through, you need something you can count on, and this is next level to the nth degree as far as what you can do and how fast you can go. It's just a win-win on every end. So